Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic, tuberculosis, or TB for short. It's a disease that's been around for centuries, but many people still don't recognize its symptoms early enough. In this video, we're going to discuss the most common symptoms of TB, how to identify them, and when to seek medical help. Let's get started. What is tuberculosis? Before we jump into the symptoms, let's briefly understand what tuberculosis is. TB is a bacterial infection caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It primarily affects the lungs, but it can also spread to other parts of the body, such as the kidneys, spine, or brain. TB spreads through the air when someone with an active infection coughs or sneezes. Now that we know what TB is, let's move on to the symptoms. 1. Persistent cough. The first and most common symptom of TB is a persistent cough. A cough that lasts more than 3 weeks and doesn't improve with over-the-counter medications could be a sign of TB. Initially, this cough might be dry, but over time, it can produce phlegm or even blood. If you've noticed a lingering cough, don't ignore it, it's time to consult a doctor. 2. Fever. Next up is fever. Many TB patients experience a low-grade fever, particularly in the evening or at night. Unlike the high fevers you might see with other infections, TB-related fevers tend to be mild but persistent. If you find yourself feeling warm or experiencing feverish chills regularly, take it seriously. It could be a sign of an underlying infection like TB. 3. Night sweats. Another key symptom is night sweats. TB patients often wake up drenched in sweat, even if the room is cool. This can be exhausting and disruptive, making it hard to get a good night's sleep. Night sweats are a classic symptom of TB, so don't hesitate to mention it to your doctor if you've been experiencing this. 4. Unexplained weight loss. Have you been losing weight without trying? Unexplained weight loss is a common symptom of TB. This happens because the infection can suppress your appetite and increase your body's energy needs as it fights the bacteria. If you've noticed significant weight loss and can't pinpoint a reason, it's worth investigating. 5. Fatigue. Another telltale sign of TB is extreme fatigue. This isn't just feeling tired after a long day, it's a constant, overwhelming sense of exhaustion. Fatigue can result from the body working overtime to fight off the infection. If you feel unusually drained despite getting enough rest, it could be a red flag. 6. Chest pain. Chest pain is another symptom to watch out for. TB can cause discomfort in the chest, especially when coughing or taking deep breaths. This pain might be sharp or dull, but it's a sign that your lungs may be affected. If chest pain persists, seek medical advice as soon as possible. 7. Shortness of breath. As TB progresses, some people may experience difficulty breathing or shortness of breath. This happens when the infection causes damage to the lungs, reducing their ability to function properly. If you're struggling to catch your breath during everyday activities, it's crucial to see a doctor immediately. So, when should you seek medical help? If you notice any of the symptoms we've discussed, especially if they've been persistent for more than a couple of weeks, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Early detection and treatment are key to managing TB and preventing its spread. Let's recap the common symptoms of TB. 1. A persistent cough lasting more than 3 weeks. 2. Fever, especially in the evenings. 3. Night sweats. 4. Unexplained weight loss. 5. Fatigue. 6. Chest pain. 7. Shortness of breath. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, don't delay. Reach out to a doctor and get tested for TB. Treatment is available and effective, but the sooner you start, the better the outcome. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Let's work together to spread awareness and keep everyone informed. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.